How are you all? I hope everyone are fine at home. I am your new social teacher. Today we are going to learn a new social lesson. Okay. Shall I ask some questions from your previous class, children? Shall I ask? Yes. Where do we live? Where do we live? We live on the earth. We live on the earth. We live on the earth. And on the earth, what are the things you see on the earth, children? You see animals, plants, buildings, toys, cars. So, it is home for both living and non-living things. Earth is home for both living as well as non-living things. Home for living and non-living things. And Earth is one of the planet in the solar system. Earth is one of the planet in the solar system. Today we are going to learn more about our planet, the Earth. Now tell me, what is the name of our lesson, children? Our planet, the Earth. Our planet, the Earth. What's the name of the lesson, children? Yes, our planet, the Earth. So first of all, what is a planet? What is a planet? A large round object in space which moves around the sun. What is a planet, children? A large round object in space that revolves or that moves around the sun. I will write a definition on the board, children. Planet. A large round object that moves around the sun. So sun is a star, you all know. Okay, children, clear? What is planet? A large round object that moves around the sun. Okay. There are 8 planets. There are how many planets? There are 8 planets in the solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system. How many planets are there in the solar system, children? There are 8 planets in the solar system. What are the names of 8 planets and what is solar system? You will learn in your next lessons. Clear, children? Okay. So out of 8 planets, we are living only on the Earth. Out of 8 planets, we are living only on the Earth because Earth is the only planet that supports the life. Earth is the only planet that supports the life. That means on the surface of the Earth, we have air and water. On the Earth, air and water. Earth has air and water on its surface. So all living things need air and water. Clear, children? Can you live without air and water? No, we cannot live without air and water. And this air and water are available or exists on the Earth. That's why all living organisms can live on the Earth. Clear, children? Okay. Let's know the Earth, its shape and size. See, this is the picture of the Earth. This is a picture of the Earth. The Earth seems like this. Clear, children? Now see the shape and size of the Earth. The Earth, its shape and size. And very big in size. Earth is very big in size. And it is spherical or round in shape. What is the shape of the earth, children? The shape of the earth is spherical or round in shape. The shape of the earth is spherical or round in shape. Round in shape. For example, if you want to take around the earth, around the earth, you have to travel 40,000 kilometers around the earth. You have to travel how many kilometers, children? 40,000 kilometers. If you want to take a round around the earth, we have to travel 40,000 kilometers. How many kilometers? 40,000 kilometers. How big the earth is. Understand, children? What is the shape of the earth? The earth is very big in size and it is spherical or round in shape. It is spherical or round in shape. And if you want to take a round around the earth, we have to travel 40,000 kilometers around the earth. Clear, children? But long ago, people believed, people thought the earth was flat. The earth was flat. The earth was flat and had edges. Edges are nothing but ends. Long ago, what people thought? The people thought that the earth was flat and had edges. And it was supported by giant pillars. And it is supported by giant pillars. Giant pillars. Giant means very big. Giant means very big. Pillars. Generally you see the pillars under the bridge. Under the bridge you can see these pillars. And what is the use of these pillars? It gives support to the bridge. In the same way, pillars are nothing but a very tall structure. A tall structure which gives support. So long ago, what people believed? They believed that the earth is flat and it had ends and it was supported by giant pillars. Giant means very big and pillars generally you observe under the bridge which gives support to the bridge. In the same way, pillar is nothing but a tall structure which gives support. In the same way, the people thought that there are huge or very big pillars under the earth and these pillars give support to the earth. But it is not true. Clear, children? You all know that the earth is round in shape. Clear? But long ago, the people thought like that. It is flat and it has edges and it is supported by giant pillars. Okay. For example, generally all flat objects have edges. All flat objects have edges. For example, table. If you see the flat objects such as table, bench, book, these are the few examples of flat objects. And all flat objects have edges. For example, see. If you see the table, this is one of the example of flat objects and it have 4 edges. These are the 4 edges or 4 ends of the table. These are the 4 edges or 4 ends of the table. And long ago, the people feared a lot. Why they feared a lot? When they traveled too far. When they travel too far on the earth, they may reach the edge of the earth. They may reach the edge of the earth and they thought they may fall down from the earth. Clear, children? When they reach the edge of the earth, when they travel too far, they may reach the edge of the earth and they may fall from the earth. For example, if you stand on the edge of the table, you may fall down. If you stand on the edge of a table or a bench, you may fall down. In the same way, the people in olden days feared that they traveled too far on the earth. They may reach the edge of the earth and they thought they may fall from the earth. But it is not true. Why? Because the earth was not flat, but it is round in shape. Clear, children? Year 1519, a Portuguese sailor. That means this sailor belongs to a country, Portugal. Sailor belongs to country, Portugal. Okay, and the name of this Portugal sailor is Ferdinand Magellan. What is the name of the sailor? Ferdinand Magellan. Ferdinand Magellan. So sailor. Sailor means a person who travel. A person who travel on a ship or boat. Who travel on a ship or boat. So in 1519, Portuguese sailor who started a trip. Trip is nothing but journey around the earth. Journey around the earth. And from where he started? He started from Spain. From Spain. He took some ships and some sailors along with him. He traveled around the earth from Spain. From where he started? From Spain. And he traveled in the same direction. And after 3 years, he reached the same place where he had started. Clear, children? He started journey from Spain and he traveled in the same direction. After how many years, children? After 3 years. After 3 years, he reached the same place. Where he started. Thus, he proved that the earth is round in shape but not flat. For example, see what is there in my hand? Yes, ball. Okay. For example, at one point, I'm started to draw a line, and I draw the line in the same direction. Again, I completed drawing and I reached the same point where I started. Clear, children? At one point, I start drawing a line and I draw in the same direction. And after a few minutes, I reached the same point where I started. In the same way, Ferdinand Magellan started his journey from Spain. And he traveled in the same direction. Throughout. And after 3 years, he reached the same place from where he started. Thus, he proved that the earth is round but not flat in shape. Clear, children? Okay. In which year? In 1519. And this sailor belongs to which country? Portugal. For example, if someone belongs to India, we can say Indians. Like that, this sailor belongs to Portugal country. So, he is Portuguese sailor. So sailor means a person who travel on a ship or boat. Okay, clear children? And what is the name of the sailor? Ferdinand Magellan. What is the name of the sailor, children? Ferdinand Magellan. Where he started his journey or trip? From Spain. From Spain. Okay. He continuously traveled in the same direction, and after 3 years he reached the same place from where he started. From where he started. For example, at one point I start drawing the line, and again after some time I reached the same point. I completed my drawing. I finished my drawing at the same point. Thus proved that the earth is round in shape but not in flat shape. Clear children? Clear children? Okay. Move into the next topic. The surface of the earth. The surface of the earth. The surface of the earth. If you see on the surface of the earth, is it same everywhere? No. On the surface of the earth, we can see so many things such as mountains, rivers, lakes, oceans, forests, deserts, etc. That means the surface of the earth is not same everywhere. Not same everywhere. On the surface, we find mountains, rivers, lakes, oceans, forests, deserts, etc. But mainly the earth is divided into two main forms. The earth is divided into two main forms. What are the two main forms of the earth, children? One is land and the other one is water. Okay, children. The surface of the earth is not same everywhere. We can see lot of things like mountains, rivers, lakes, oceans, forests, deserts. But mainly the earth is divided into two forms. One is land and the other one is water. For example, if you divide the earth into four equal parts. If you divide the earth into 4 equal halves, three parts of the earth. How many parts? 3 parts of the earth is covered with water. Covered with water. So 3 parts of the earth is covered with water, and only one part of the earth is land. Only one part of the earth is land. One part of the earth is land. Clear, children? So if you divide the earth into 4 equal halves, 3 parts of the earth is covered with water and only one part of the earth is land. So see, what is the representation? So out of 4, 3 parts. Out of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So total 4 parts. So out of 4, 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are covered with water. So we can say 3/4. 3/4 or 3/4. 3/4 or 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. So 3/4 of water. 3/4 of earth is covered with water. Okay, children. So out of 4, only one part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4, one part is land. One part is land. Then you can say 1/4 or 1 by 4th? 1, 3, 4. Out of 4, one part. One part is land. And you can say 1/4. 1/4 or 1 by 4th. 1 by 4 of earth is land. Of earth is land. Clear, children? Okay. So the surface of the earth is not same everywhere. The surface of the earth is not same everywhere. We find mountains, rivers, lakes, oceans, forests, deserts, etc. But mainly the earth is divided into two main forms. One is land and the other one is water. The other one is water. If you divide the earth into 4 equal halves, 3 parts of the earth is covered with water. So 3 by 4th or 3/4 of earth is covered with water. And 1 by 4 or 1/4, only one part is one part of earth is land. We can say 1/4 or 1 by 4th of earth is land. Okay, children, clear? Still 4 more topics are there. We will discuss in the next session of the class. Shall I revise again? Okay. What we learned from this class, children? The shape and size of the earth. And who is the Portuguese sailor who proved that the earth is round in shape? What's the name of Portuguese sailor, children? Ferdinand Magellan. Ferdinand Magellan is a Portuguese sailor who proved that the earth is round in shape. In which year he traveled? 1519. 1519 he started his journey from Spain, and after 3 years he reached in the same place from where he started. Clear, children? Clear? Okay. And the surface of the earth is not same everywhere. On the surface of the earth we find oceans, deserts, mountains, rivers, lakes and so on. But mainly the earth is divided into land and water. For example, if you see the earth, 3 parts of the earth is covered with water. That's why 3/4 of earth is covered with water, and only one part of the earth is land. So 1/4 of earth is land. Clear, children? The earth is very big in size, and if you want to take a round around the earth, we have to travel how many kilometers, children? 40,000 kilometers. 40,000 kilometers. So we have 8 planets in the solar system, but we are living only on the earth because earth is the only planet having air and water, and this planet only supports the life. That's why all living things exist only on the earth. Clear, children? And the earth is home for both living and non-living things. Clear, children? Now tell me, what is the definition of planet? Yes, a large round object in space that moves around the sun. That moves around the sun. That is the definition of planet. Okay, still 4 more topics are there. We will discuss in our next class. By the evening, you will get the homework through WhatsApp. Okay, thank you, children.